All right, man, let's move on to the next shit. All right, baby, let's go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
Look at this, right after my whole briefing.
Beans, relax, bro. Relax during this. Beans. Chill, son. Chill. You know what I'm saying? We got stuff to talk about over here. Grown man shit. Yeah, man, I'm excited. I'm excited about this. This is a box. It's a nice box.
It's a nice box.
What you said? This is a box.
It's a box.
You know when you see a little bit of a different box, something's going on in there. Something happening.
Yeah.
Dream of world. Just go ahead and get these puppies out.
We got more writing inside. Luck, success happens when preparation meets opportunity. Insert your dreams here. Dream a word is what is...
Dream a world.
Dream a world.
Yes. Okay. Yes.
So that's what's all over the cover of that. That's dope.
It's dope.
I like the packaging already. I'll keep it that way so I don't see what's in here. What is happening.
Take that one.
Yeah, buddy. Oh boy, a corduroy. Looky here. All right. You know.
These are beautiful.
These are.
Oh man.
Okay. So if you are in the DMV, you know what this sneaker means to the DMV. Aside from New Balance.
Yes.
This sneaker in and of itself.
New Balance is this sneaker and the Nike boot.
And the Nike boot are actual staples
Straight up.
of this town. I remember when they first came out, I got a pair. I got the very first iteration of these.
The black, blue, and white ones? Yeah.
And I bought them with the intent to play basketball in them.
That's hilarious.
And I took them back.
Word. Yeah. They're not balling sneakers?
Not at all. And any other person I've ever seen play basketball in these, I knew that they were going to get every foul they came to get.
They're in a world of pain.
They chose violence. These joints are crazy.
It's a beautiful colorway, man. I love them.
So
my first pair of Foamposites ever.
Yeah, the Foamposite. So, you know, obviously they've got they are the pennies, right? They've got the 1 cent underneath there. So you got that on the sole, which is that clear gray sole, which is tough, very tough. Then, I'm not really sure what that is.
I don't know what that is either. Yeah.
If it's supposed to be some writing or something. But then you've got this, well, let's go back to the different textures. So you got that, right? Then this is all, it's like a hard plastic, right? We'll get into the design and all that in a second. And then you've got this suede nubuck. No, more like a distressed suede.
Yeah, they call it a nubuck.
Okay. A distressed nubuck going all the way around.
Yeah, because it's almost like a nappy suede.
Exactly. And then it's also coming right down the center of look at the shoestrings.
You see that? See that purple in there, son?
Let me stay focused.
That purple in there.
All right, so then you've got the same thing that goes around coming right down the center of the tongue. It's got the 1 cent symbol there. And then they hit you with the patent leather little tab right here and here, which is a nice touch given the plastic all the way around.
Yeah.
They also put the Nike sign down here in the corner of the toe. And that's dope. And then these shoestrings. The shoestrings play off of the chaos that's happening.
Yeah, complete chaos.
And they aren't one color. I'm lifting them up. Hopefully you may be able to see them. It's kind of like there's purple, there's gray, but then the gray is like a minty gray. And then a regular gray. Like it's.
It looks like the way the design looks. It looks like
They just did it on a shoestring.
and it looks like somebody taking a picture of like cars going by. Like
Yeah.
you know what I'm saying? Like it looks crazy.
Yeah. And then the shoestrings look like they got faded or something in the sun, and then you just kind of relaced them so they were in different places.
Yep.
Like that's a really dope touch, man.
Like a gray and like a two-tone tie-dye kind of thing almost.
Yeah. That's a really dope touch.
I love that. I didn't notice that until I got them in. I was like, oh.
And then this chaos is also on the inside of the sneaker too. So all of the lining inside is basically variations of this chaos outside, just coming off to the ends of the sneaker. That's dope.
Got the whole inside, of course, is just like a sock.
Yeah,
that's connected to the shoe itself.
And then that thing that we read, the lucky success happens when preparation meets opportunity, is actually inside, right in here, on the insole. Yeah. And I don't know what this is right here. I don't know how to explain it, but it's textured. Like you can feel the little black and white dots.
Yeah.
And you can also feel these white lines, and I don't know what they're supposed to write.
Those dots, I saw those on other Foamposites too.
Yeah. Okay.
So it must be just a Foamposite thing right there.
Yeah, because it clearly goes all the way through the bottom to the other side. These are tough. Again, quite heavy also.
A little something. I mean, you can talk about a quote-unquote basketball sneaker here.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Tough joints, man.
Buddy.
I like what they did here, man.
Yeah, I'm going to crush these.
Crush the
grays
and the whites and the...
Yes.
Yeah.
Very excited about these joints.
Yeah, these are tough, man. These are very tough.
Good old Foamposites, baby.
The textures, the mesh, all of that. The mesh for the sock. Mm-hmm. Yeah, man. They did a great job on those.
Tough joints, man.
Fantastic
Tough
job.
joints. Yeah,